welcome back to 10% Family. Today I'll be making Piro Aloo, spicy potato, and it's an easy step. And let's get started. So I'm gonna roast this until it's brown. This is white sesame seed. I'm gonna roast this until it's brown. And when I press and I hear a crunchy noise, it means the sesame seed roasting is done. Perfect. And I will let it sit aside, cool it off before I grind it into the powder.
Gum.
I'm gonna split the chili cut it into two pieces halfway. And then let it sit for a bit.
땅이 되게 가능해서 혹시라도 다른 패들 뽑으면 나한테 바로 연락줘요.
We literally have no room in our area. No, don't get us set. Ow! Bro, I only landed him.
So I'm heating up some oil. Then once the oil's hot, I'm gonna add some. So I'm gonna add some methi, and I'm gonna fry some chili together. Then mix them with the aloo, and it's gonna be ready. So the recipe is pretty simple. Yeah, the oil, I think it's ready. So I'm gonna fry them until they're like dark brown, not really black. So methi, it's kind of tricky. If we don't cook it enough, it's gonna be bitter. But if we cook it too much, it's gonna taste like a coal. So once once the color turns into like a dark brown, then I'm gonna add the chili to it. Okay, so the methi is like dark brown, almost black. Now I'm gonna add the chili. So I'm gonna fry the chili. It looks good. Ano de? Okay. Now I'm going to add them. So I added a little bit more salt. Now it's very good. So I'm gonna add these scallions. They do taste good. I like them. And they make the aloo look good too. So pretty much it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna try the aloo tarkari. It looks so good. Chili. Came out very good.